I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 BMW X6. Basically, from any screen, you click on nav. If you click on map first and you just want to see where you're going, there you go, that's it, the picture up there. And then if you knock the eye control across there you go, route guidance, route, spoken instructions and so on. But if you go to nav, if you just click nav again, quick search, home address, so you get into the menu that way. You can do it one or two ways. Quick search, recent destination, address input. We'll try address input. It's already it's already got an address in. Now you can use the voice activation and say address if you go to the top there, or I want postcode. So again, it's giving me a chance to input it by voice, but it never recognises my voice. So we'll P, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need to go to numbers. You've got more characters there. Click on more characters and the numbers come up. So we're PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters. And we want A, PR5, 4E8, and then you've got to click the center for OK. I don't need a street, so just scroll down, start route guidance, then we've just got to pick one. They're all the same. We'll put Higher Walton. Start route guidance, route fast or change criteria. I don't want to do anything that. That's perfect for me. If I just go across again, if I click to the left and then go down, you've got spoken instructions there.
Prepare to make a U-turn.
So there you go. There's a tick in spoken instructions now, so it will tell you what to do. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.